So on that same theme, let's talk about working with products remotely. And the first one we're going to talk about is Autodesk Vault. Now, Autodesk Vault is something that comes with a variety of different products on Inventor Standalone, for your product design suite, or if you have product design and manufacturing collection or PDMC. Vault is there, and Vault, if you're not familiar with it, is a client server application, which means there is a server that's usually on-premise at work, at your office on campus. And so what this means is we have to figure out how to connect to it. So even if you are working at home with one of the products in the collection and you have Vault, you need to connect to your server. So there's a couple of different options for you. And we're going to walk through these step by step and talk about the different options. The first one is VPN. And VPN is a virtual private network. And it's a way that you can work with Vault. It's a way that you can connect to, like when we're just now talking about the license server, it's a way for you to connect in and get on your company's network. So if you are a CAD manager or a group manager, take a look at what your options are. If you are a user of CAD, go and talk to your manager about VPN options. And we don't recommend any one particular VPN. There's a variety of them out there that serve a variety of different needs, but it is one way to keep working with Vault, regardless of the addition of Vault that you have. The second option is virtualizing your desktop, also known as a VDI. So there are different virtual desktop interface solutions out there where you can essentially work with a cloud PC. So all of your work, be it design work, CAD, analysis, or even Vault, could be done in a cloud. There are some things to know about desktop virtualization. We have some links for you as well. The third option would be cloud hosting. Now, cloud hosting, as mentioned before, is one of the other options, and we don't recommend any one particular, but we do have customers that have used and taken advantage of Amazon and Azure and so on. And then fourth, cloud collaboration tools, and I'll be showing some. There are some things that you might have inside of your portfolio at your fingertips right now. And I'll show some of these, and we'll give some background on them. You might actually have these or have an entitlement to them, and we're going to take a look at what they are. So once again, if you're a CAD manager or the contract owner, take a look at your accounts portal, like Emily was showing. You may already have access to some of these. If you are an end user, go talk to your manager and see what you might have. You might be delighted to see. So a word about VPN connection. So VPN, to work with your network or to work off of your network or to connect to Vault, there's a couple things to consider. What is the speed of your connection? What's the speed of your file transfer? And your mileage will vary on this. There is an option to enable file compression with Vault. This might help things a little bit better. You might feel like it's things save better, open better, check in or check out better. And there are also considerations for the ports that you need to enable for communication when working with Vault and between the Vault client and the Vault server. So I have two links down there. From the Autodesk Knowledge Network, there is a post about using Vault remotely and everything that you need to know about it. So far too much detail for this webinar, but this will put you on the path of using Vault remotely and all the things that you need to consider. And the second one, there are some best practices for virtualizing Vault, whether you're going to virtualize the entire experience or just the server. So we have an AKN article just right there. There's also classes that were taught at Autodesk University over the years, both Vegas and London, about how to virtualize Vault. It's a hot topic, very popular. People want to offload that to another system and not have to buy servers anymore, and so the times right now lend themselves to that question. So, and then one more thing on virtualization. There are a couple of different options. You can have a private virtual desktop. You can virtualize it. You can also use server hosting. So it's up to you. There are different options out there, and we are here to help. There's examples out there.